Hey y'all, today we are talking about something that I was really interested in. This is the Erborian CC RED CORRECT Automatic Perfector Soothing Effect Even Complexion Broad Spectrum SPF 25 Sunscreen. So this is supposed to be something, of course, that is color correcting green to cover up your redness. If you guys have been here before, you know I have lots of redness to cover. This is $44. I got this online at Ulta. And if you are new here, I want to let you guys know that we use all natural lighting on my channel. I don't want colors to look distorted. I want you guys to see my redness, rosacea, pores, everything. And then I want you to see how this little baby covers it. So if you are interested, I hope you subscribe and click that bell, and let's hop in. Okay, lovelies, I have to read you this because this pretty well sounds like a miracle product for redness and rosacea, and yep, that's me. So let me read this. The Korean secret to a visibly perfect complexion lies in a high-tech multi-use formula that helps to improve the appearance of your skin. CC RED CORRECT is a versatile illuminating formula. It contains green pigments to automatically help correct redness and encapsulated pigments to conceal other imperfections. CC RED CORRECT adjusts to your skin tone and helps to enhance your complexion with its perfect color correcting effect. The fine green colored formula transforms on contact with your skin to immediately even out the appearance of redness and other imperfections. What? Okay. Enriched with Cantella something, CC RED CORRECT helps to deliver radiance and hydration while also providing a beautifying effect. Complexion irregularities are less visible. Your skin looks perfect. Perfect is a word they've used multiple times, so my skin better look flippin' perfect. Feels soothed and is visibly more beautiful. It says apply a fine layer to the face like a day cream or as a makeup base. Now let me tell you this. For years I tried so many green products. I mean, I've always had redness. It's actually gotten worse over time. Before it was kind of just on my cheeks where it looked like I had blush on all the time. That was fine. But now we go a lot lower. So it can kind of mess up my bronzer, contour, all of that stuff. But I've not had a good experience with green color correctors, green products. I like one, and I wore this for, years. So this is the L'Oreal Magic BB Cream Anti-Redness. I love this, and I still wear it from time to time, but as I get darker throughout spring and summer, it doesn't adjust to my skin tone. It looks kind of ashy on me and far too light. So let's hope this one does adjust, because I am getting darker and I'm going to get way darker than I am right now. So let's hope. I'm going to shake this and I'm just going to apply it with my hands. I'm so sorry that I'm kind of chatty today, but I am so excited because we have got some seeds planted and vegetable seeds. I'm going to vlog. Don't worry, I got you guys covered, but we got our garden tilled for the first time and all of that good stuff. So I'm in a good mood today and I'm trying to stay in a good place. So I've got this much. We're going to put this on and then see where we are. May need more, I don't know. Definitely starts off green, but as we're rubbing, that green's kind of going away. This does have SPF in it, which I like because spring and summer, I definitely need an SPF. Also, totally forgot what I was about to talk about, you guys. Wow, okay. I got nothing. Oh, this is Erborian. I think that's how you say it. And all of their products are fragrant. I really like their, sorry, my nose is running. I really like their moisturizer, and I really like a, wow, I cannot talk today. I cannot think. I really love their moisturizer and it smells amazing, but it is fragranced. And I like their face wash. I can't even think of what it's actually called. Anyway, it's a face wash and I like it as well. But like I said, everything is fragranced, but it smells really good to me. It's not too overpowering. This one's the same way, fragranced. So let's see, I'm gonna add some more. I'm gonna do like a second layer. And it's a little bit light on the cheeks. We'll see how it ends up looking as a whole, but that's kind of what I was worried about. Because, and especially with them being a Korean brand, there's not a whole lot of tan people in Korea. They're pretty fair. It's kind of what they're known for. Yeah, it's definitely a little lighter than I would like. It's peeling just a little bit on me, but it's not bad. All right, I'm gonna push it into the skin. And let's look at the coverage because the color definitely is a bit off, but if this isn't too heavy, I could still use it as a primer, which I'm fine with. All right, let me grab a mirror here, see where we're at. Okay, this looks absolutely terrible on my nose. I have some enlarged pores there, and it looks like polka dot pores. Doesn't look good. I'll scoot in, zoom in a second so you guys can see that. As far as the redness goes, I can still see all of it. My skin doesn't look perfect like it claimed. I'm sad about that. But look at the nose here. It's straight up polka dot pores. I'm gonna try to add more. See if we can get it to kind of fill in those pores and not sit and kind of sink in them. That's like the worst. So I'm gonna add a wee bit more. Really try to blend that into the nose. A lot of times when that happens, it's just I didn't apply enough, but sometimes that's just the way the product is. So fingers crossed, guys, fingers crossed. Yeah, it helped a little bit, but it does not look good. Holy cow, it doesn't look good. I'm gonna try adding concealer over it, but this nose, I don't know if it's gonna show as well on camera. It looks awful. Like, I haven't seen my nose look this awful in such a long time. And I had really high hopes for this because in spring and summer, I like to kind of throw something light coverage on, conceal my redness a bit, and do really minimal makeup. But this is definitely too light and it doesn't really cover my redness and it's not super luminizing. But we're gonna see how it wears, all of that. I still have a shit ton to do today. So I'm gonna go ahead, throw some concealer on. Let me find what I want. Okay, I'm gonna use the Kosas concealer. And I'm gonna throw some on my nose, see if that makes it any better. I hope this is not too dark because my skin looks pretty light in person. And man, this concealer looks super yellow. I'm gonna use my favorite sponge of life. This is the Uoma sponge. It's not wet though. I like it a lot better wet, but I'm too lazy to go wet it. So this is what we've got. You can see the coverage from the concealer is pretty dang good. It's a lot better than the coverage from the CC cream. So this doesn't feel super heavy on the skin, even though it is an SPF. It does have an SPF in it, but it doesn't feel super heavy even with me doing 2 layers. So that is a plus. I am going to set the under eyes. I'm not going to set the rest of the face. I want to see how this wears on its own. It's barely tacky. I mean, barely. But like I said, I'm doing really, really minimal makeup. So I'm going to set this, throw on some mascara. I might put on really natural lashes. I just feel better with lashes. Okay, I do. But yeah, I will be right back. Okay, lovelies, this is what we've got. I did put on lashes, a little bit of liner just to conceal the lash band where I don't have eyeshadow on. And I used a little bit of Bare Minerals bronzer. It was actually powder. It went over it pretty dang good, surprisingly. And I used a little bit of the Kokie liquid highlights. And that was it. So this is our starting point. It's breaking apart just a little bit. I did powder the under eyes and the nose. The nose looks better than it did, but it still looks like shit. I'm not gonna lie to you. But yeah, this is what we've got. So we are going to do a long wear test. I've got a bunch of shit to do. So I'm going to do that and I will see you guys later on tonight. Okay, let's talk about this one. It actually grew on me a little bit, which is incredibly surprising. Like, I like the way it wore. I like the way that it looked besides the nose. But cheeks and everything, I like the way that it looked. It's a little bit light. I know that it's not going to match me in a few weeks, but at least it didn't look ashy on me. But we have some problems. The nose looks absolutely horrendous. I mean, literally horrendous. And then I got to looking, and even the forehead right here, where I didn't even know I had pores, it just does that. That where it wants to sink into your pores but not look smooth, kind of the polka dot pores thing. So for $44, I do not in any circumstance recommend this. I think it's gonna make your skin look worse than it is if you have pores, if you have texture, and I think that these claims are all 100% bullshit. This does not cover my redness well. It did kind of okay at looking okay. Do you look perfect? Not in the slightest. It's not super dewy. I wouldn't even call this luminous. I think it has a little bit of a glow, but not like wow glow. No. And where it doesn't shade adjust to a multitude of skin tones, I think you're gonna have to be light medium to barely tan. I don't think that this will work if you're fair, and this is not going to work well if you are tan plus. So let me put that out there. I'm gonna continue to wear it. I'll let you guys know if I find a way to make this work more so with the pore situation, but kind of a bummer. $44 is a lot of money. So just be aware. Like I said, I've not had the best luck with green anything. So this had really great reviews. Like, I really thought that this might be a good product, but it's not. It's kind of like all the others, but it's worse on your pores. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. And right now I do have a giveaway going on. It was my best affordable drugstore eyeshadows. I don't even, that's bad, you guys. It's late now, but I've been like this all day. It was the 5 best drugstore eyeshadow palettes for spring. I have a giveaway, go enter that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, I hope you subscribe and click that bell, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.